If you want to use the microSD card on a Realme GT 7T, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use it in the SIM tray. We cannot fit it into the SIM tray. There is no way to use it. So the only solution is a memory card reader. I have mine over here as an example, and of course it is quite huge. It is definitely inconvenient to use on a daily basis, but in theory we can use a memory card reader with USB-C in order to use the memory card. In my case, I can just insert the memory card into this slot over here, and then by using the USB cable, the USB-C cable that is, we can just connect it to the phone, to the USB-C port over here. And this is how we can use the memory card on Realme GT 7T. Unfortunately, this is the only way. Of course, there are much smaller memory card readers that you can use if you want to. However, I know that they can be quite inconvenient because we have to keep them connected to the USB port. Nevertheless, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.